Hey everybody, if you are wanting automated responses with your website using an AI bot, in today's video we will be guiding you through the process. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and get started. So for that, we're going to use LandBot application. You can head over to landbot.io and log in into your account if you're not logged in. And once you are logged in, you should be finding this particular interface on your screen. Now, it is pretty easy if you want to go ahead and set up the automated responses in your website. So for that, once you are here, you can go over to this bot builder section here and click on this option to build a chatbot. Once you click on it, here you will be finding option of choosing what kind of bot you are going to launch. So we have different AI agents and no-code chat bot builder as well. You can use those, or if you want API chatbot, you can select this option, or you can select this option like what kind of bot you are going to launch. So for example, let's say we are going to launch API chatbot. You can start from scratch by yourself, or you can use this option of build it for me. So I'm going to use this automatic one, and here you can just go and type in what kind of bot do you want. So if you want automated responses for customer service, you can type in customer service, and apart from that, you can click on generate. You can add in more description that will create up a draft bot for you. You can edit it out once it is created. So you can just go over and enter up the information and click on generate and wait for some certain seconds. And here it will show you your bot, automated bots. So we have this option of welcoming our customer service, etc. When you click on this option right here, it gives you option to add in message. So whenever anyone will try to contact you with your website or wherever, you can just go over and add up these messages that will be automatically responded when other people will try to contact you in your chat. So you can edit it out, and you can even add fun stickers, etc. to make it more fun and do it. After that, here it will give you these options like asking a questions, do you want to connect, etc. And here you will be finding your API bot already being created, so we can go over and build it up. You can add up settings and analyze it as well. You can add up your bot name as well. I'm just going to keep it as it is, and you can select this option for disable bot. You can do it, and you can analyze it. After you analyze it, you can just go up and select this option for publish. So go ahead and click on publish and wait for some certain seconds, and your bot will be published now. So you can just go over and look out for your bot from here. So once it is published, you can just go over and share the bot. You can go ahead and copy the code for the bot. After you publish it and build it up, you can select this option for share. And once you click on share, here you will be finding different options to embed it. So we have this code available. All you gotta do is you can embed it in your website using a code here. You can copy this code right here, or share it with a link and even share it as a template. Once you're okay with it, you just need to head over to a project where you would like to add up this automated replying bot. So you can select this option for embed, and you can go over and select this option for embed code and paste it here. Once you do so, you can click on next and confirm it up and wait for some certain seconds, and it should load up on your screen. You can just go over and edit the code, etc. and click on insert. After you do so, here you will be finding your bot. So you can just go over and test it out. So we have this option right here. You can see the code itself. Welcome to customer service. You can just go over and answer these questions and etc. and start this conversation. You may head over and click on publish and publish the particular changes, and click on publish and confirm it up. Once you do so, that is how you basically go ahead and set up your automated responses on your website. So that is it, everybody. You may follow up the steps for that. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.